Good morning from Pattaya here in Thailand, and we've just arrived at another hotel to do another review. It's this one behind me. It's the Holiday Inn Express. I'm already checked in, already got my room. It's on the 6th floor and it's room 633. Let's have a look round. Room 633. Check-in was dead simple. Again, passports, signature, already paid online, so there was no problem there. The room isn't available till 3 o'clock. Again, we've arrived just after midday and they said our room was available. This seems to be happening in all the hotels here in Thailand so far, fingers crossed. The room itself is a standard twin room. It's on the lower budget side this time. I'm trying to mix the videos throughout Thailand, and with this one, I did pick this one because of a budget. Holiday Inn Express, very similar to our Holiday Inns back at home. Not a lot to show, but let's have a look around. Right by the door, you do have your card slot to activate the electricity. Now with the card in this hotel, similar to a lot of the hotels that we've been in, you need the card to activate the lifts as well. So it's like a security issue. When you come in the hotel, the lifts won't take you to any of the levels unless you use the card. Your aircon, which as you probably can hear on the microphone, is working and it's nice and cold. A huge floor to ceiling mirrored wardrobe. Hanging space. Couple of pairs of slippers. And on this side, you do have the safe. Is it one of the 4 digits again? There you go. Dead easy to use and the same 4 digits to open it. And these safes are free. Torch again. Most of these hotels I'm coming across have a torch within the wardrobe. Now we do have complimentary tea and coffee and water. There's a tiny little kettle at the back. Let's do the kettle check. Yes, nice and clean. Now I don't think it's a mini bar, I think it's just a fridge. Yes, a small fridge. And this is the room. It's not a very big room. As I said, it is a standard room. Quite nice and bright. There isn't any balcony in this room either. You stand for your suitcases, a little bit of a writing desk, and a fairly good size television. Huge mirror on that wall. Now the PowerPoints I like in here, they are universal PowerPoint as well, so you don't need any sort of adapters or anything. You can plug in your UK plugs straight into them sockets. Give it an angle from this side. It does look nice and clean. Again, your PowerPoints, the universal ones either side of the bed. Now I have noticed this chair over in the corner. Don't know if that's picking up on that, but there's quite a few stains on that. And I like the pillows as well. You get a choice of soft and firm. As I said, we don't have a balcony, we just have a window. Let's just see what the view's like. That's not too bad. It's over like a seating area, tables and chairs, and we have a rock waterfall or rock pool feature. So there's a longer shot of the bedroom. As I said, you've got your soft pillow and your firm pillow for a choice. and they do have pillow protectors on as well. Sheets look nice and clean. Now we do have the mattress, and again another top out, which is lovely and clean as well. Nice to see. There's not a problem with the bed. The ensuite is tiny. I've just had a quick look at the ensuite. It is very tiny. We're only here for the one night. I'll show you the ensuite. God, it's warm in this room. As I said, it's not a very big ensuite. It's got everything you need. Your toilet. Nice and clean. Plenty of towels. Some Dove hand wash, hair dryer, and we do have shower cap, vanity kit, 2 dental kits. Quite a large mirror. Ah, it is a light switch. I was sure whether that was a light switch or not. There you go. Try and get a long shot. Now the problem I've got is the walk-in shower. It's right behind the door, so you have to close the door for the shower unit. Walk-in shower. Well, you do have a rain shower as well, so you do have the 2 showers, the hand one and the rain shower. Dove body wash and shampoo. It's a large shower, a large walk-in shower. It's just, it's compact behind the door. That's the only problem I've got. As I said, the hotel isn't a very big hotel. It does have a swimming pool and a fitness centre up on the 9th floor. Let's have a look round. Good morning, it's just coming up to 8 AM and I'm just looking out at that sun. Temperature here at 8 AM is just 33 degrees at the moment. Right, it's time for breakfast. Let's go down and see what they've got to offer. Back from breakfast, and let's just say it was limited. Okay, there was the usual, there was the toast, yogurt, fruits, croissants, tea, coffee and juices, and cereal, but that was about it. You could order an omelette. I think I heard someone order an omelette, but they're not out. There's no eggs out, there's no bacon or nothing like that out. So I don't know how that works. There's no notice around the restaurant saying that you can order eggs or anything like that. So it looked very basic to me. Now, my verdict on the rest of the hotel, the Holiday Inn Express. It's on Soi Baukhao, down by the open food market, which is very, very close to Walking Street, if you know that area. A location not bad. We arrived just after 12 o'clock and check-in isn't until 2 p.m, but our room was available. Now, the communal areas of the hotel look very clean. The restaurant, the reception area. The staff have been absolutely brilliant. The reception girl was really nice. The facilities down on the reception area, there isn't really a lot. There's just a seating area, and the reception doubles up as a bar area. It's not really a bar, but they do serve soft drinks and some alcoholic drinks, but there's not a lot of choice. Now, we did go up to the pool yesterday afternoon, which is up on the 9th floor. That's a nice area, very, very quiet, and we spent a couple of hours up there. There is a gym up there as well. Now, mobility access into the hotel, I didn't see a ramp. It's just a couple of steps and then you're onto the ground level of the reception, and then the lift takes you up to the relevant floors. Wi-Fi, instant fast Wi-Fi, TV, BBC News, and we found a couple of English movie channels, but that was about it. Now, the room itself, bright but not very spacious. It's a little bit tight, this room. The beds themselves, a really good night's sleep. The ensuite is very small, but it does what it says on the tin. So you want to know the price. For one night B&B for 2 people in this hotel was £47.65. So tell me what you think. What do you think of the price? What do you think of the Holiday Inn Express? What do you think of Pattaya? What do you think of Thailand? All questions I'm asking you, put the answers in the comments down below. Would you stay at this hotel? Do you think that price is a bit steep? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm moving on now to another accommodation, but where it'll be, you'll have to watch and see. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. And bye for now.